team, they at least got 1 point on the board. Our fan game of the week brings the Natomas Nighthawks facing the Fighting Zebras and their miniature cheerleader, 3-year-old Allie. Only 1:30 into the game, and the first TD comes from senior running back James Hubbard. A good hustle, 30 yards to the promised land. They get the 2 points, 8 points on the board. Now 7 left in the first. Quarterback fake, and then Davis Dykstra with a 25-yard bomb to Eddie Coldley. 15-0, Zebras on top. And then this, the first of many Nighthawk mistakes. 5:24 left in the first. Daniel Gutierrez picked off by Cobley. That would set up this with 2:15 left in the first. Hubbard again running 14 yards, 21-0 Zebras. Let's jump ahead now. End of the second. Dykstra and Cobley again, 34-0. And he's like, hey man, you want this football? I talked about mistakes. Here's another. The Nighthawks first down after that last TD. Gutierrez this time picked off by Stephen Lewis, who would cash that in. 42-0 Zebras. But let's give Natomas just a little love. 2:30 left in the game. Gutierrez 30 yards to D'Angelo Fields, but that would be all the Nighthawks could do. 48-7 is your final.
I feel like we had a really tough preseason because we played a bunch of teams in the top 25 in the Sac Joaquin.